Did you just get in a new skull and really want to understand the anatomy of it? No? Just me? Let's look at carnivore skulls and use this guy as a reference point. If you could hazard a guess, what animal does this skull belong to?
Who's that Pokemon?
I will give you 5 seconds to guess and we'll get to see if you're correct. If you said red fox, you're right. Congratulations. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into the anatomy. We're going to focus on teeth because these are the important bits for these animals. Carnivores have incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. For a red fox, they have 6 incisors on both the top and bottom jaw. These are good for gripping and ripping off flesh with the help of their 4 canines, which would be 2 on the top jaw and 2 on the bottom jaw. Their canines doing most of the work here, being the heavy hitters. Going forward, we're going to be talking about one side of their jaws. Just imagine doubling any numbers I mentioned for the other half. Moving along, you got the premolars. They have 8 of them with 4 on the top jaw and 4 on the bottom jaw. The first 3 of the 4 premolars on the top jaw are nothing too special. They help the fox tear into flesh when they're eating. We're going to leave the 4th premolar on the top jaw alone for now and talk about the molars, which they have 2 on the top jaw and 3 on the bottom jaw. Minus the 1st molar on the bottom jaw, they are good for grinding food, though for carnivores they're quite diminished or really small. Like we have large molars in comparison because we eat fruits and vegetables. Anyway, let's get back to the teeth I pointed out but didn't go into. With carnivores, they have a special trait called carnassials. If you look at the 3rd premolar in the upper jaw and the 1st molar in the lower jaw, they overlap each other. In a way, they work like scissors cutting into tough cartilage or flesh. We can see this in action if we open and close the bottom jaw. Watch these 2 teeth. Of course, this fox isn't eating anything, they are dead, but we can still look at what they would do if they could. Now you know all about their teeth and can use this to identify teeth in your carnivore skulls, if you are crazy enough to have any. That is all. Thank you for watching and remember to never stop learning.